Read aloud and repeat. Read aloud and repeat each sentence. My clean city. Every day, I see the clean road in front of my house. The road looks smooth and nice. People walk and ride bikes on it. I like the bright colors of the flowers by the road. It makes my neighborhood feel nice. The workers keep it clean, and I respect their hard work. I see the busy city. The city is big and full of people. There are many shops and cafes. I like watching people move around. The tall buildings reach the sky. The city is exciting, and there is always something new to see. I see different people in my neighborhood. Some people rush to work. Others walk their dogs. I enjoy watching kids play and laugh. Everyone is busy with their own life, but we all live in the same place. It feels nice to be part of this lively neighborhood. I look at the buildings around me. Some buildings are old, and some are new. Each building has a different look. I admire how tall they are. The buildings create a beautiful view that I love. Each one adds something special to the city. I see the sun shining. It makes everything bright. In the morning, the sun gives warmth. I love watching the sunrise and sunset. The colors in the sky are beautiful. The sun makes each day feel special. I see the stars shining in the sky. They are like small diamonds. I like to lie on the grass and look at them. Each star feels like a small wish. The night sky gives me peace and makes me wonder. I look at the sky. The sky changes colors and moods. Sometimes it is blue, and sometimes it has clouds. I enjoy watching the clouds move slowly. They remind me to take things easy and enjoy the moment. The sky is always beautiful. I go to the park near my house. The park is green with trees and flowers. People come to walk, run, and relax. I like to see families having picnics and kids playing. The park is a great place to enjoy nature. I see cars driving by. Some cars are fast, and others are slow. I notice their different colors and shapes. Cars are part of the busy city life. Watching cars go by is interesting, especially during traffic. I see tall trees along the streets. Their leaves move in the wind and make a soft sound. Birds sit on the branches and sing. The trees give shade on hot days. They make my neighborhood fresh and cool. I see buses on the road. They stop to pick up people at the bus stops. I see people getting on and off. Buses help people go to work and school. They are important for the city. I see the river flowing through the city. The water shines in the sunlight. I like to watch ducks swim and people fish. The river makes the city feel calm. It is a nice place to relax and think. I see clouds in the sky. Some clouds are white and fluffy, and some are dark. I like to watch them change shape. Sometimes they bring rain, which makes everything fresh. Clouds make the sky look more interesting. I pass by shops. Each shop has special things. I enjoy looking at the colorful items in the windows. Sometimes I stop to shop or get a snack. Shops make the street lively and fun to explore. I see birds flying in the sky. They sing and chirp as they fly. I like to watch them build nests and care for their babies. Their freedom inspires me. Birds remind me to enjoy the little things in life.